Divyesh is also now joining me live. Yes, Divyesh, go ahead. 6 days of custody that you're telling us. Has he been taken out right away? Is he still there in the court? Culpable homicide charges. How do you think that will ensure, perhaps in this case, when as the case and trial begins?
Well, Pooja, this is not just a case of culpable homicide not amounting to murder, but also that the accused Mihir Shah had been evading police. He had been on the run, and police informed the court that they need to find out how did Mihir Shah slip from Mumbai. Who were the people involved? Remember, it was India Today, it was Aaj Tak which brought to light that Mihir Shah's sister, his girlfriend, his mother and another friend had taken him or were there with him when he was on the run. They had been to Thane Yeur Hills, then they proceeded towards Murbad in Thane district and then towards Shahpur. From Shahpur, they stayed at a resort over there. From there, Mihir Shah and his friend Avdeep fled to Virar on Monday night, wherein on Tuesday morning, Avdeep switched on his phone for just 15 minutes. That led to his arrest. That led the police to his location, and police raided the place, arrested Mihir Shah and also detained Avdeep. Remember, the mother, the sister's role has also come to light. We had earlier seen in the Pune Porsche case that the family members were involved. The family members were shielding the accused minor. Here also similar things have come to light, that the accused family were trying to help him. They helped him in evading police. They helped him in being on the run. They helped him. Also, it is being suspected, as police informed the court, that it is suspected that the number plate was destroyed because that is yet to be recovered. The number plate, remember, Rajesh Shah, it is suspected that father of the accused, Rajesh Shah, had removed the number plate, while defense does point out that it was an accident and the number plate had fallen off, would have fallen off, but the number plate is yet to be recovered. Mihir Shah's mobile phone is yet to be recovered. He needs to be confronted with Rajeshji Bidawat. Remember, he had drinks at the Vice Global pub in Juhu till 1 a.m. After that, he was using a Mercedes vehicle. Then he used that same vehicle and went off to Borivali, dropped his friends, changed the car, took a BMW and then drove towards Marine Drive. Reaching Marine Drive, he told Rajeshji Bidawat that I am going to drive now, and from Marine Drive he drove towards Worli. That is where the accident happened. That is where the woman and her husband who were travelling on a two-wheeler were hit, and the woman came under wheel. She was dragged for 2.5 kilometers. Remember, if you are driving a vehicle and if you feel, even if a small jerk is felt, you stop the vehicle, you try and check what has happened. But here, a woman, a human being, was dragged for 2.5 kilometers, and that led to her painful death.
And also, this is where the husband who was there, who's the eyewitness, also asked if, in case, even if this was a genuine mistake, a day later, 2 days later, why didn't he just cooperate with the cops and surrender to them? But he continued to hide using his VVIP connections. I want to thank you for now. Divyesh, please keep tracking the latest coming in, specifically what happens here on now that he's in police custody. But what was the latest in this case? The first fact is that Mihir Shah appears to have admitted that he was in fact driving the BMW during the crash, which means he did it after he left the bar, because a few hours later, after he was at the bar, where again he's not supposed to be drinking alcohol, he's 24 years of age, permissible limit is 25. Yet he drove and was speeding a vehicle, a luxury vehicle, that hit a couple, and the woman was dragged for about a kilometer, and later as she died there in Mumbai. Let's also take a look. How did he manage to escape for 3 days? There was so much public outrage and uproar over this case. According to information coming in, Mihir, his sister, mother and friend left for a resort in Shahpur. This happened after he had managed to, at least for some hours, stay at a friend's house and took shelter there. He switched off his mobile phone with the other friend. Then they went to another resort in Virar. This is where he was staying for some days. Look how we are on the map trying to tell you how in Mumbai he was constantly changing locations. But it was only when the mobile phone, we are told, got switched on for some time, that was when his location was tracked. But amid all of this, he was also ensuring how he's not noticed. He shaved off his beard so his identity cannot be recognized.
कौन है हमारे लिए वाली? हमारा संभालने वाला कौन है? ये नेता लोग को कुछ नहीं, उसका ही लीडर का ये है बेटा। वो क्या बड़ा आदमी है? वो ऐसा 20 आदमी खरीद सकता है, पूरा ये खरीद सकता है वो पूरा। हम लोग के पूछे कौन है? कभी आया देवेंद्र फडणवीस बोलने के लिए आया इधर कि क्या हो गया है? कभी एकनाथ शिंदे आया घर पे कि इसका ऐसा कैसा हो गया, इसके पीछे क्या है? अजित पवार आया, 3 दिन के बाद वो पकड़ा जाता है। इसका मतलब क्या है? हाँ, तुम रास्ते